How to cough safely after surgery with incision splinting. Have you recently had surgery and are wondering how to cough safely? Coughing is essential for clearing mucus from your lungs, but it can be uncomfortable after an operation. Let's talk about how to do this effectively while taking care of your incision. First, make sure your pain is under control. If you need pain relief, take your medication about 30 minutes before you plan to cough. This will help reduce any discomfort you might feel. Next, it's important to support your incision. You can use your hand, a folded towel, or a small pillow to gently press over the area where you had surgery. This support will help limit movement of the wound and lessen pain when you cough. Now let's focus on your position. Sit up straight or lie down with your knees bent if your surgeon allows it. Sitting up helps your lungs expand better, making it easier to cough effectively. When you are ready to cough, take a deep breath. Inhale slowly and deeply through your nose. This will fill your lungs and help loosen any mucus that needs to be cleared. Now cough firmly but in a controlled manner. With your incision supported, cough strongly enough to clear out mucus, but avoid using excessive force that could cause pain. You should repeat this deep breathing and coughing exercise every 1 to 2 hours while you are awake, especially during the first few days after your surgery. This will help keep your lungs clear and promote healing. Here are some additional tips for safe coughing and recovery. Change your position regularly to prevent stiffness and improve lung function. Practice deep breathing exercises alongside coughing to keep your lungs expanded. Good oral hygiene is also important. It helps reduce the risk of chest infections, which can be a concern after surgery. If you experience severe pain while coughing or feel dizzy, stop immediately and inform your healthcare provider. If your doctor recommends it, using an incentive spirometer can assist with deep breathing and lung expansion. This device encourages you to take deep breaths, which is beneficial for your recovery. By supporting your incision while coughing and following these steps, you can effectively clear your lungs while protecting your surgical site and minimizing discomfort. This approach will help you on your path to recovery after surgery.